Welcome to the Fizzy Show.
Oh, it is so hot. Oh, Fizzy, what are we gonna do? It's too hot for Dino Daycare.
We're in a heat wave, Phoebe.
Oh no, I think the pool water's getting hot, Fizzy. We need it to snow to cool them down.
Phoebe, that's given me a really good idea. There's this super fun ice egg experiment we could do.
Let's do it!
We're gonna need some equipment.
And we're gonna need the dinosaurs. Oh, that one's going down the slide.
Okay, Phoebe, you round up the dinosaurs and I'll get the equipment.
Okay. Yeah, okay, dinosaurs. Line up. Yo, is that a balloon?
It is, Phoebe. Miss Hands, I think we're gonna need a hand.
Hi, Fizzy and Phoebe. Are you guys doing the ice egg experiment?
Yes, we are. But I lost my balloon, and we're gonna need some more.
Well, luckily, I have these colored balloons that match your dinosaurs. If we give them a good old stretch, we can get started. Okay, first we have to put each dinosaur into their balloon so we can cool them down. And we're gonna start with our red one. We need to give it a really big stretch. Just like that. And the yellow one. The green balloon. And the blue balloon. And now the fun part. We're gonna open up our balloon like this. There we go. Red, you wanna jump in? Thank you. In you go. And he's safely in his balloon. Now the yellow one. In you go, yellow. That was a good jump. And we just wriggle you down. Ooh, there he is. He's in there. Can you see him? And the green one. And green dinosaur. In you jump. There we go. And finally, the blue one. This is quite tricky, but you have to keep stretching. Bluey, in you go. And wriggle you down. There we go. All of our dinosaurs are in their balloons. And I think we could add some sparkly glitter in the balloon too. Very carefully. There we go. Wriggle that down. And yellow. Give it a shake. It's quite difficult getting it in there without spilling it. And our blue. And now we have to fill these with water. Let's go to the outside tap. Come with me. This is awesome! We have all of our balloons filled up. And don't forget to tie each balloon really securely at the top. Otherwise the water will come out and the experiment won't work. Now we just need to check all of our balloons and make sure there are no holes anywhere. I think they're perfect. And they're ready to get frozen.
Wow, look at our dinosaur ice eggs.
We have one blue, one red, one green, and one yellow.
Well done, Phoebe. That's 4 balloons ready for the big freeze.
Awesome sauce.
Whoa, these look so cool. Whoa, that is super cold. Whoa, can you see all the frost on here? Look at that. I can make a pattern. And this is my favorite part. We just peel off each balloon to reveal our dino ice eggs.
Miss Hands, how does something become frozen?
Well, inside every item in the universe, there are molecules. So take these balloons, for example. We filled these up with water. Water is a liquid because it has these happy little molecules that can move around freely. They're not too hot, they're not too cold. But do you remember when the screen got all icy?
Oh, yes. It got so cold. I couldn't move. It was so cold.
Exactly, Fizzy. That's what's happening to our molecules. Because the temperature is so cold, they begin to get stuck and group together. There is less energy to move around. This turns them into a solid, like this ice egg here. Oh, look, there's a pocket of air in this balloon.
So how do we know if the dinosaurs have cooled down?
And how do we get them out?
Well, using tools on ice to break up the molecules would work. Also, a change in temperature helps. The warmer it gets, the quicker the ice melts back into a liquid.
Whoa, that's so cool.
Well, let's get our dinosaurs out.
I got a tool.
Great, Fizzy. Do you want to get started?
Sure, I love ice eggs. I think this could take some time.
That's okay, Fizzy. Let's open each one. Good job, team.
Oh, look! Our blue dinosaur!
Let's put this dino back in the line now he's cooled down. Perfect work.
It's our red dinosaur.
Rawr, rawr, rawr.
Our green dino!
We have 3 dinosaurs. 1 more to go.
Our yellow dino.
That's right, we have 4 dinosaurs.
Oh, they look much happier now they've cooled down.
They certainly do.
Go, team!
Dino Daycare was another success. Thanks for watching. We hope you all have a fizzy fantastic day.
We will
See you
next time.